Isang araw na naman ang gising niyang parang hinahabol sa kalendaryo. Sabi ko kagabi, maaga akong gigising at magiging productive na talaga ako. Pero guess what? Kahit ko na naman yung snooze button ng 5 times. E di ayun, alas 7 na. Kapajama pa rin at mukhang bagong labas sa laundry basket ang buhok. Pero syempre, hindi pwedeng tumigil sa stress. Dito tayo magaling eh. Yung tipong 5 minutes transformation, pang beauty queen na agad. Outfit check. So ito na po. From glue mode to glow mode. Sapatos, hiniram ko lang yan sa pinsan ko. Pero di ba bagay rin naman. At ang pinakamahalaga, ang suot kong self-confidence. Siyempre yan din, gawa-gawa lang. Pagdating naman sa school, ibang mundo na. Iba't ibang klase ng taong makikita mo dito. Meron din dyan mga fashionista, yung parang runway ng Paris Fashion Week ang hallway. Meron naman tipong bagong gising starter pack, shorts, chinelas, at mukhang hindi pa nakaka-move on sa breakfast nila. Sabi nga nila, be yourself. Pero dito sa school na to, kahit anong version ka ng sarili mo, pasok ka. Basta, huwag lang late sa klase.
Tapos na pala.
At yan ang pinaka-self ko. Meet Nessa. You can also call her Potty, like P-O-T-Y, Princess of the Year. She's the perfect version of every human being dito sa mundo. The perfect daughter, the perfect student, the perfect friend. Siya nga din yung tinatawag nilang it girl. Yung tipong pagdaan niya, biglang, boogsh! Mag-slow motion ang paligid. Fit na fit siya sa standard ng society. Minsan nga napapaisip ako if she's even a human being. Parang anghel na ata to na pinadala dito sa lupa because may mission siya eh. Ay, mapapakanta ka na lang talaga ng nasa'yo na ang lahat. Ganon. She's the girl na pinapangarap ng lahat. At pinapangarap na maging. Since yun nga, diba? Who doesn't want to be a complete package, girly? Si Nat, ang aesthetic queen ng barkada. Literal na Instagram goals. Kung merong perfect fit sa aming grupo, hands down sa kanya na talaga yun. Parang kahit anong hawakan niya, biglang magiging Pinterest worthy. Girl, sino bang hindi mapapasana all? Sa social media, parang galing siya sa isang lifestyle magazine. Minimalist siya to the core. Beige, white, earthy tones, lahat yan nasa arsenal niya. Pati simpleng lugar nagiging vibe kapag sinat nasa eksena. Pero wait lang, dito na papasok ang plot twist, Day. Sa personal, girl, ibang-iba si Nat. Kung sa social media parang perfectong Parisian, ay sa totoong buhay chaotic Pinoy energy. Yung tipong magulo sa kwarto. Kalat ang makeup sa table. At ang daming late deadlines. Nat's realness is iconic. Kaya kung iniisip mong perfect si Nat dahil sa newsfeed niya, we all live in a filtered reality. Tulad niya, minsan planado, kadalasan sabog. But that's why we love her. She's the ultimate Konya paradox. Aesthetic sa social media, chaotic in real life. Si Divine po.
Hi, Divine!
Meet Divine. She is a bit different compared sa iba naming barkada. Actually, hindi naman different. More like she is not well established as the others. Unlike Nessa, hindi siya ganun kagaling when it comes to academic activities. Hindi rin siya yung parang slow-mo-worthy na tao. She blends in the crowd, never a standout. While she is pretty naman, may alam sa lahat ng bagay, but never really on top when it comes to anything. She is just there. Yung tipong never the same level as Nessa, who is everyone's ideal girl. She is firm with her goals and alam na alam talaga yung gusto sa buhay. And that is something that Divine cannot seem to achieve. When it comes to her social life, oh, awkward. She never really saw her life as aesthetically pleasing as Natalie's life. Well, part of the reason why she feels like she's never cut out for anything is because of her upbringing. She grew up in a family where her goals were never validated and her achievements were never recognized. Nasanay na siya sa ganung sistema. Yung tipong hindi kagalingan ang tingin ng iba sa kanya, kaya ganun na lang din ang tingin niya sa sarili niya. She tries to fill that gap by trying to be good at something. But every time she tries, she fails. Tingin niya hindi siya enough. Yung tipong laging may kulang, kaya hindi niya matapos-tapos ang kahit anong hobbies na ginagawa niya. Kasi sa tingin niya, parating may mali. And because of that experience with her family, her life felt stagnant and directionless.
Ala, si Wenchel!
Wenchel, the baddest girl I've ever known. But just like Nat, she's living a double life. Iba-iba rin kasi yung personality when it comes to different circles. Kung sa circle of friends namin, ay, siya talaga yung pinakamaingay. At sobrang boyish when it comes to expressing herself through her clothes. Ang daming chika about life at hindi ka mabobore with her. But when it comes to her classmates, ay, nightmare ang atake. She's perceived as very strict. Mayor ba naman ng klase? Fair din naman si Wenchel. Pero kapag responsibilities na ang pinag-uusapan, kailangan focus na focus sa goal. Dapat lahat on time.
Guys, sino ba wala kabayan sa soft shirt? May dua pa wala kabayan.
She is not the type of mayor naman. Sadyang gusto niya lang talagang well-arrange ang lahat ng bagay na hinahandle niya. And most importantly, kung nasa bahay din siya kasama ang pamilya, girl, iba talaga ang pagiging anghel and demure niya. Kala mo talaga di makabasag pinggan sa sobrang prim and proper. Coming from a very religious family, kailangan na talaga maging dakilang Maria Clara. Kaya nga bilib na bilib ako sa kanya eh. Her self-concept can change like that depending on who she is with. Billie Eilish, to Miss Minchie, to Maria Clara, real quick malala. And this is me, Sahaya, ang iisang baklita at pinakamaganda sa barkada. Yan ang mga tipo ko. Simpleng lalaki na bigati ng datingan. Ay, Diyos ko, ganyan ba namang itsura ang sasalubong sa umaga mo? Mapapatulala at hihinto talaga ang mundo mo. And that's Vince, the love of my... Different personalities make everyone unique. Understanding and accepting these differences promotes relationship and teamwork.